Road to 1,000. Let's go. I just wish this part would go a lot faster. Ugh. I'm like running around looking for them.
I need to go to the bathroom again. I will mute myself.
You could pee on the call. Alright, let's go. Got one of them. Got him. Got him. Now we're back up. 900 more to go. 900 more. Okay. Let's start chipping it away. Hey Min, how come you're muted? Y'all, if you probably typed your response, I can't read it right now. I thought he died. Huh. $750 more. $25 more.
Hey.
Get over here. There you go. Oh.
You're doing well, right? right?
Yeah, still have my life. Feeling good. Now it's these fuckers, but I have the shotgun, so I'm not scared of them. I've actually never had a death to these guys, because I think they're like the ones I frantically shoot at most first.
Yeah, I can see that.
I think this is it. I could hit 1,000 in this run. Feel good. Have a life. I could get to 600, and that's when I'll start getting really scared. Two more. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13.
Let's focus on fighting.
8, 6, 4. That's 3. That's 2. Wait, 1, 2. There's 2 more. Okay, him. Okay. Got 2 pros. I see that third one. Wait for it to do the loop. And got it. Got it. Okay, here we go. I still have the second life. And I'm trying to hold on to it.
I mean, you still have the second life until this point in last game.
Yeah. Okay, 50 more. Wait, I felt very safe over there. I don't know why I left. Uh-oh. Lightning guy again.
Was this optimal?
Yeah, this is optimal spot. Okay, here we go. 500 more. The first 500 were slow. The next 500... Oh, this is why the shotgun sucks. You need to kill that guy because he brings them back to life. Kill them once, gotta kill them a second time. But if I had the revolver, it kills them and kills everyone else.
Yeah.
Shit, okay. That's something I did not stop to realize until now, actually. Okay, this guy's a problem. Now he doesn't revive anyone. He's dead, you're dead. Okay. Tough corner, but it's okay. Just focus, focus, focus.
Yeah.
The woods are not a good spot for me.
Yeah. It's not.
Oh, I didn't have my roll ready. I almost died. Fuck. See how that mage is fucking with me?
What did you just say?
The mage was fucking with me. He kept reviving everybody. Okay.
The
3 hearts, all went
guy,
south.
right?
Okay, it's fine. I know how to play him. I know how to play him. I'm waiting for bright flashes and to avoid all the traps. I got 1 heart, looking for 2 more. Wait for the flash and dodge. Okay. Escape. Got him. I know how to play him. I know how to play him. Got it.
600. Let's go.
400 more. 400 more. $400 more. Okay. Oh, that sniper almost killed me. No, I lost it. Fuck.
Oh.
You know what? Because I was too focused on the sniper. Shit. Okay, you know what? I'm starting to realize the pocket cannon is a lot better, actually. Okay, wait. Keep track of everything.
No. Calm. You got this. You got this. We passed 600 now.
Fuck, dude.
You panicking. Okay.
But I'm
700
so...
easy.
I don't have my life.
Don't think about it.
I got 2 that time. Wait for the bird. Okay, can I hit that? Got it. Okay. 300. Just gotta get 300. No second life.
This is when the
Those ghosts, I can't shoot them until they pop out.
yeah, I know.
I saw how I died the last time. I prioritized going for the green guy, and then because of that, I didn't kill who I... This guy's a threat. Got him. You. 250 more. 250 more. Doing good. Just gotta relax. Okay, I was out of bullets. I went heavy.
30.
Almost 800. Triple sevens. Oh, the range on my shotgun almost ran out. I see a green guy up here. Okay, 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, this is lightning guy.
200 more.
Yeah, I'm scared though.
This looks so easy. What the fuck?
I see a mage. I should kill him. Fuck, I can't. He's gonna keep spawning dudes that I can't kill. 2 shields. Guy with green.
Positioning.
Okay, there's a bomb. Oh, fuck, that area was bad. There's a guy with a green guy alive. He could shoot me anytime across the map. Okay, he's dead. I see him. He's dead. Mage here. Oh fuck, I'm losing a spot. Okay, he's dead.
Get out of that area.
3 mages, really? I'm panicking. I'm starting to panic.
That was almost bad.
I agree. Wait, I like the funnel down here. Son of a bitch. Oh, okay. Well. Oh, wait, I'm out of position. Fuck! Fuck, I'm so out. Wait. Okay, I know what I need to do. Wait. Oh. Got one. Got it. When he walked here, he's dead. Okay.
Now
Just
keep
relax.
calm.
Yep. Just gotta relax. I could do it. Under 100 now. Under 100 to my goal.
90. Duty.
Okay, you're stressing me out. Guys with shields are dangerous. Guy with green, dead, dead, dead. Oh!
That was so much bad, honestly.
I agree. Holy shit!
Get out. Okay.
I win here. They're all funneling. 12, 12, 12. 7 more. 3, 4 more. I did it. I'm not gonna lose. I did it.
Please don't. You did it.
There's no boss. There's no boss when you hit 1,000. They stop giving you bosses. The game stops giving you. It knows I'm too strong. Fuck yes. Yes, no more bosses. I'm the best.
But this is a good gun, bro.
To be fair, Tien thinks my good gun is the other one. I did it. The game does not give you bosses when you hit 1,000. Wow.
Oh, we're at like 1200.
No way. There's no way to give you a boss.
Wait, Sherry, you come in at such a perfect timing.
I know.
Like, how do you know?
I didn't. I was gonna go shower, and I wanted to check on the progress.
Well, I'm about to hit 1,100. 1,100. No boss.
Maybe you maxed it out. We'll find out. Hit 2K.
Hit 2K? Actually, it's probably a lot easier. I'm very used to the rhythm. I don't have my second life though.
He already lost a life at 600 though.
Wait, how many lives do you have?
Only 2.
Two.
I wonder if I could have done this with the single guns, to be honest.
Yeah, this gun is too OP, bro.
No, there are its own limitations. Like I identified one earlier. What was it? I can't remember it, but I had one problem with this. I'm dead. There you go. I couldn't kill the green guy. Whatever. Wow, that is awesome.
Good run.
I did it.